watching AYV Television.
You talk, say you sick like chicken pox. Today are the treat you bad like picking dogs. Would I like Calibag? Well, can make you make it dust.
Goodness by rap, be done now na business. Then go only give you all best by you goodness. West Coast best, Luxby, me know the natchez.
Me against the wall like the late Tupac. I rap Africa, you say me face too black. You a wall like a dog, you face too whack. You baby not a steady, in waist too slack. Call me Mike Stunner from Leicester Road. 240 feet the name I get na load. They no go see like the all na left na road is na life. Can't bite, you go left na boat.
Only babo ball gigs back, me know they repeat. Any shot show face, the way I go retreat. Backbench while I'm close to the pulpit. Una de losses, so boy, I'm making profit.
It's up na the game like a IMAX. New swag, new game at the adverts. Some you shit's not dope na for adverts. If you see me na the streets na for divert. If I go left, now for go right, you not qualify. Sam now catch them, catch you. Not ever try me. Let them steam and patch you. Today you not go shine. Let them clean and catch you. I they kick him out, Sam. Kick and scrap you.
Teacher na class, no matter how Calibag go can last. When we dey study in the pop grass, now that's make me catch first in catch last.
So good, so bad you must like. You want cross, seaside you must wreck. I kill quick, pull gun and no yet. Them follow me, spy me, the long neck, the wear gown, gonna mock, stun check.
Favorite television show you already know. This is not the AYV Empire Cypher Uncensored Season 2. And I there with the Pizza Man.
You already know K2 Blinks.
Definitely. I know say right now they wonder why we they do the show at this time of the night. Usually the time when they do the show then time they are a grand final. You know, right?
Well, it goes in December and finally we do final show in January.
Definitely. But we get for explain you now the reason why we do the show tonight. It's something serious and something important. For make we send the information to we mama, we papa them, we brothers and sisters already watch the show right now. The reason we make we give preference to the young people here for do the show tonight was because the last time when we go shoot at the Aberdeen roundabout, Kate, you know be witness, right?
Yeah, of course. You know, I can always say the roundabout's not be enough.
Let's stop.
Yeah. So therefore, we therefore move the location and come here. And trust me, this place is much more than conducive for the show tonight, and it's gonna be hard.
Definitely, it's going to be hot. So in short, I know so I know you understand English, man. You just do it. Definitely. So we want a conducive environment because Aberdeen not be enough for the young people here because they be too hype and excited for support. Then people where before say they can't put before inside the show. Now in make we say, well, if them guys are able to express themselves much inside Aberdeen roundabout, maybe inside this compound they will express themselves and it will be very, very, very conducive for control them behaviors them, right?
We're not telling you, we're left them out. Left them, left them.
What's up, my Kenny people? This is the team, the Expandable Promo team. Of course, me, Nadima Weah. I get my man Alhaji Mohammed Handsome Sisay, and of course Rashdi Don and Abbas Wiz Kamara, you know. Expandable promo team alongside AYV TV, they bring Camp So Cypher Uncensored Season 2 live inside Makeni City. Remember, say the preparation, they up and kicking and go strong every day. And then, you know, we just don't go through the pre-auditions, and one for saying, I say the auditions, so they come up from Freetown. They happen on the 9th of next month, so be part of that one. And of course, the one-on-one rap battle also get for take place USA beating up, so inside the basketball court, right inside Makeni Usum Field, you know, and that get for happen on the 11th of November. So don't miss out and always be part of it. Be part of AYV Cypher. One for tell thank you, of course, to AYV inside Makeni. Thank you to all the judges that will be there part of the pre-auditions. Of course, one for say thank you to SL Crisp, you know, Chris will all day inside this thing. You know, of course, thank you to Makeni people for make this thing one of its kind. And of course, I also want to extend me thank you to the Makeni City Council, and of course, the mayor of Makeni City for also supporting this. Thank you to you, manager 2+. Thanks to everybody, man. This is the expandable promo team. AYV Cypher, we coming right in Makeni City.
AYV on a just call, I go quit now, I push it, anyhow when it's team rap and still box up them all, say them little boys them and they see them like a fall. I don't turn out the country, who side all
Akita, Yanni Akita, my flow the big boys there like Kabi Jackie Chan. From Sierra Leone, take over Pakistan, I'm the man of the year, Season 2.
Yeah, definitely.
I can't wait to be in Makeni.
I don't like chicken, by the way, and I fall on it.
Yeah, man fall. That big one. You know, when they cook like them pack some obstacle on top, you push and pray, it's fine.
Figure obstacle, you know they will eat.
It's not fine, let obstacle is there.
Definitely. Well, talking about obstacle, we get something for rephrase from. Somebody inside the show where we don't partake. When a qualifier, we can announce a name.
Definitely. Yes, of course, and this person are the winner of last week's show between the legends, I mean the upcoming legends that will be battled inside the one-on-one rap battle.
And this person answered to the name Team 57! Put your hands together for Team 57!
Murder, tsunami, earthquake, landslide. You gotta face it all today, man. Hi, y'all niggas say you need changes, man. So now we start. You know, check it out, man. It ain't no this, but I'm coming out. You know, let we go. Salon, how na they do? We all the ready the gamma. How na they do? Free song, how na they do? Me boy and Kenema Fambul, how na they do? Lunge, how na they do? Makeni Kono Kailan, how na they do? Pots Locker, how na they do? Me Fambu den a kids, how na they do? Now we be dance and wear the gallant, but the way the thing they go, they kinda change the errand. And we the youths them angry wallan, but we the suck while them picking and they weft the gallant. Them kinda change the code pa we, belly empty, don't they put the load pa we. We all know it's in Ebola, full pa we, done. See Jordan and kick and gold pa we. The country small, but we still the suffer. The sun hot, tell me who's tell me go cold pa we. See me not trust anyone, they make we get sense, they not trust any man. When I watch fine, no, me no point any enemy, na Kriobabo, I not judge any man. So no misunderstand me, I not judge any man. 5'7", me not judge any man. Check. Salon, how na they do? We all hear ready the gamma, how na they do? Free song, how na they do? Me boy and Kenema Fambul, how na they do? Lunge, how na they do? Makeni Kono Kailan, how na they do? Put Locker, how na they do? Me Fambu den a kids, how na they do? Where there is, people busy they cry. We will get the oil and we them busy they fry. Money they and them busy they buy. Fine cars, fine house, busy they fly. Pito Shijo, Kenema Kono, Bua Bisebo, na me they tell you na do. Yari teke wanda ke, how na they do? We mo do Papa John, say me people down they. I say your song and me people down, baby, we they see, feel the sound, salo hot, pull you fan. Say they be the tribe, but now they make service manager, the best pa we aid and the bots now we braid. If not so no more, we know best pa you game, you know they feel for the other. We all know choose for the dollar, you the card we, you the bang we, Boy, you not good footballer, Salon, how na they do? We all hear read it gamma, how na they do? It song, how na they do? Big boy and Kenema Fambul, how na they do? Lunge, how na they do? Makeni Kono Kailan, how na they do? Pots Locker, how na they do? Me Fambu den a kids, how na they do, yo? Yeah, nigga, how na they do, man? Check it out.
When I put your hands together for Team 57. Wow, wow, wow. Welcome to the stage, bro. You know, I can say you are very, very talented and lucky man for get the chance for can prove yourself for 6-week battle inside Cypher Uncensored, right?
Yeah.
And I believe you get something for say to the people of this country. Yeah.
And first of all, I want to say thanks to my fans them. I know say without Team 57 for the reach now this peak. You know, kudos to my fans in Ajala University, McKinney, Freetown and all. Like during the show, emotion me make like Mango Beyond Limits, you know, throw shots on one of my mentors in salon music, rap music when I used to be. So today at this podium I want to say with all humility, sorry to be, you know, sorry with all sincerity.
That's nice.
Definitely. So wow, the man himself. Thank you very much, Mr. Exo. So you know what kind of stage you not say anything. What you get for say towards in statement?
Well, honestly, you know, I accept the apology, but this is hip hop. I don't need the apology. It's all part of the game. You're not taking personal, honestly. You know, it's all good, bro. One love.
Thank you very much. Now they love this whole they preach for inside this country. We hope for see you inside the grand final and good night. No go sleep. Something exciting is coming up.
Yeah, of course, 6 weeks is not something simple. Therefore, you get for write a lot and get for put together a lot and lots of bars for convince the people there. And you self will watch the show right now.
And definitely we get something interesting inside the show we will not ever seen before. We don't announce it over and over for previous week until they premiere something.
We unleash the secret,
the wonderful cover video what we talked about a long time ago. The song titled Green Light, and the person who produced this artist here, Ellen Kista. So the cover video come now on screen.
Dreams! Say me a better than them. Bad girls spit more fire than them. Me level higher than them. I get the green light so me brighter than them. Say me a better than them. Bad girls spit more fire than them. Me level higher than them. I get a green light so me brighter than them. I get a green light for go anytime I want for go. I get a green light for do anything I want for do. I get a green light for say anything I want for say. I get a green light for do anything I want for do. I do tell God thank you cause now he don't butter me bread. And plenty thank you to Eileen cause it paved the way. So me mama and me papa I not even know waiting for say. And to me lovely friends so now thank you for the love all the way. Now what a bright past them cause I get a green light. I don't fly past them, I'm above them dream heights. Them world too dark is like I get a dim light. Them go always need me cause I me to bring light. Few years not a game, it's like it's been ages. I don't rule, I don't win, I've been paid wages. Plenty hours, plenty shows, more money, endorsement, new deals. I've got locked in my big cages. Yeah, a day not a zebra, no car, not a bus. This style not overruled, so no style, not a pass. Me network wireless, so called, no more flash. And check the album, man, 90% big stars. Yeah, greatness, now the name my friends call me. Imagine being signed by wins with freestyles only. Tell the little cars, made them all pull over. Cause Empress be me, I come to take over.
Good. I don't know what people say about this video.
Okay, how on earth you go wear cliches?
Listen, I'm not being older for sin and more. You might walk a bit deeper. Okay, listen. How on earth you as a bodyguard, you dey bluff past the artist where you support inside the video?
Oh come on, that was just a timber. Even the timber said not beautiful.
Not to timber. Now they now more smoothie than the cut to make that one great crepe.
Hey, wait not this one by himself. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we not gonna wait and we're not gonna waste any more time, but we get something very special for you. And that is the producer of this specific show, AYV Empire Cypher Uncensored, in birthday today. Therefore, we want to wish Marius a happy and pleasant natal day.
Happy birthday to you, Marius. So now show the producer some love, man. Happy birthday, Marius. wonderful producer, and also this guy they do wonderful work inside AYV Television. In back they play major role for Entrosty newspaper, work very go on well.
You talk, say you sick like chicken pox. Today I treat you bad like picking dogs. Would I like Calibag? Well, come make you lick his dust.
Goodness by rap, be done now na business. Then go only give you all best by you goodness. West Coast best, locks me know the natchez.
Me against the wall like the late Tupac. I rap Africa, you say me face too black. You are all like a dog, you face too whack. You baby not a steady, in waist too slack. Call me Mike Stunner from Leicester Road. 240 feet the name I get na load. They no go see like the all left na road. It's na life, can't bite. You go left na boat.
Only Babo Ball gigs back, me know they repeat. Any shot show face, the way I go retreat. Backbencher while I'm close to the pulpits. Una de pan losses, so boy, I'm making profit.
It's up na the game like a IMAX. New swag, new game at the adverts. Some you shit's not dope na for adverts. If you see me na the skits na for divert. If I go left, na for go right. You not qualify, Sam na catch them catch you. Not ever try me, elect them steam and patch you. Today you not go shine, elect them clean and catch you. I dey kick him out, Sam, kick and scrap you.
Teacher na class, no matter how Calibag go can last. When we dey study in the pop grass, now that's make me catch first, in catch last.
So good, so bad, you must like. You want cross, seaside, you must wreck. I kill quick, pull gun, and no yet. Them follow me, spy me, the long neck, the wear gown, gonna mock, stun check.
Well, Fambulem, well, now we're inside the one-on-one. It's getting hot, you know.
You already know this is the finals in Freetown.
Definitely, we know see a lot of rap shows and they're around, but definitely Cypher Uncensored is undefeated and will always be the best show in this country.
Not forget to the hope for the finals. I mean the 6 weeks inside December and January. Wherein the qualifier of this particular battle will meet the other one that we don't qualify, and the other one where they qualify for McKinney, where we'll get with final. I mean with grand final.
Definitely, right now we get the 3 hot rappers them inside the arena. We get Team Calibag, Superstar, and we get Team Lockspeed. Definitely then 3 guys there they can battle inside this arena. So K2 Blinks, you do the honor, hand over the mic. Would I believe in self take them first?
Who goes first?
Now Pesco tell you a past this stage now your name go smell. Preach peace here all day. Look, speak capable for doing back and back. 5-star world best, yo. Compare me to the female matter, world best. Check it out, yo. Look, speak. Let's go, yo. Check it out. Every night, every day, now good leader man and pray for. Leader where they walk in peace, win all the wage war. Even put the price on for make man and 2 ton for. Talk about the road, water light, yes we need more. What about the free education works no more? This can make the youths the sky can go drama. Cause the leader know they woke na so drama. Where the better come now the first drop na luma. How we go they plan to know the reap we know to farmer. But we go deliver amen from these people. Life we go live a nice, simple and peaceful. Leader where they think about the youth not up and big fool. If you think a poor man then they live if they young plate fool. All man know the life we live na God is if you're full. So we get for no order for choose, let's be careful. Not to that bra, we think they left for camera full. Choose the right leader, not so that you fambu leader. Avoid that free check where they lead you to disorder. Now for do one for the love, not do one for rum or stuff. If you get fine leader, now we all go bluff. Bad leader go get we bad trust above. Mama, papa, auntie, uncle, do ya una listen. Once I for go vote, not to 2. Let we listen, you don't reach 18, you not agree for vote, then that's reason. Why? Then you not go left out cry. Then me and them for the make man why? Put some back, this not double entry. But you get for think how you they work now you can't see. Not so nowadays where they give all this for Wall Street. Now you just they not chest. Who that you want be? Kangaroo, you just they make like a baroo. Are you they act for people and I just say like a kangaroo? This style where you wear vest, the older you never not so small argument before rush by you brother. Are you go on disorder because of election? station, left the station, left that paper, left for station. Now the paper get planned for education. Salon #1 all over the whole nation. Now who that one for talk, let it talk. But Salon, yes, we go there #1 and we keep on down simple. All I'm down, yeah, we get for we not skip pull, keep the pace. But you know they have the case, then you know for say Salon, the #1, the place, yo. We gonna rule like a land tree. Excel, that's the home of my country. Yeah, left beef, left the grudge. Left for they make fake, then you forge. How you go say you left Bangura and George, but wait and call the team, you don't want for cost George. Ex-una bra, let we left for cost Sam, na real superstar. Watch where he catch the bench, in all the bench. But he dep and start na field, in all revenge. But I know you get for cost, escape the stench.
Thank you very much. Superstar.
Yeah. 240 feet invisible container. We cannot able to talk. If I will kill me, flow on the dawn, wall bomb, me touch me, the wall done. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. And they say I step, then go look for the kids. And say me name the play. 240 feet where I drop punchline, so man go look for in seats. Now me get Salon and I go try na Thailand. Who tell me see fish survive na dry land? Why win the 5 million I go use them for buy land plus Kabaka signing I go below Thailand. If I need bodyguard I go take una for guide them. Now when you fail at school you go no say first pass last. I don't spray tear gas when I go cut plasters. Where elephants for them it's all past grass. Me leaks na me mouth it's strong past brass. I the pull and sources give them all pampas. If you know I let this be run campus, go on a dirty and smell like gun mattress. Mike Stunner they pan rap, people who na come and see. This na real talent, not so manessy. I sick pan the mic, go na couch pharmacy. You plus the fans them are the quarantine because you get too old. I don't fans them alaki. Who da know about trap, na me then go guarantee. Where cypher be locked, na me couch master key. Expect greatness, respect the greatness. Me not care about the hits, the hater or the haters. Me all rap and all the sickness. I ready back oh, for any rapper with test. Yeah, for any rapper with test. Me all rapper at the break fence. Whoa, say, they want favor you. No sense no day. Cypher don't craze, concepts no day. I want cook beef, but self no day. The game too stiff, judge self no day. But we need a savior, prophet no day. Yeah, check this, whoa, where I drop. All man they feel me, but the mic niggas they not go able to kill me. Yeah, say I dey kill them all, give them all. 2 fish 1 ball, it's all the beef. Give them 2 kick 1 box. Big fool bad man, who da una want test? Mike Stunner is hand, cause say me not the best. Yeah, check this, check the west, check the beast nigga, you check the best. Mike Stunner the king, I don't more than the rest. Who da want test me? I dey knock me chest. Okay, nigga, I dey pull me vest. So nigga Sam, you get for cool chest, let me flow on the dawn. If I go kill, me flow the dead. Like your basket small, kill man and body mic, but the casket small. Where the fans them, okay, where the basket small, Lucy and left for cool. This also bearing song, Mike Stunner the king, okay, me not the devil song. Where I spit fire, niggas don't go able, them all tire.
Calibag! Ayo, Calibag, you the Chris? I went to you. Ayo, Calibag, man. Y'all already know what time it is. Watch him. You the Chris? Old soldier got a bullet on my damn skull. I kill the planet, put the bullets on the damn wall. I slaughter rap, I kill this nigga like a man fall. I know you so you swear to God you not able lie. You ate small, left smoke, you not able side. I kill you bad, you mama faint, you not able cry. Baba you know so rapper, now for gonna host. Me flow hot like a pepper where they gonna nose. I see big bomb chin, shada you order close. You the to pick, where me the other close. I'm order all these rappers, all these niggas ghost. Baba me na Paulo, I hope you know me post. I'm not a listing, so you fans them voice. I can sabi kill and where the tension back. Sam, you don't be grown. You place fever any papier where be tension jack. I don't wear all the rappers. I don't know who that side so slack. I'm like Nelson Mandela. They don't tear the cry for black. Not so for sell off cuts at the tin at the side for pack. Not so for buy for Kumo to can at the tin at the side for pack. They say una keep fat now na house. Una can't prove and at the side for back. Yeah, I'm getting talk money. Real G's know me. I ain't got no time with this bitch, yeah, saw me. I'm popping NC. Fuck to these codies. Cocaine is my deal, always busted by the police. Skinny young niggas smoke my weed in my chalice. Welcome to my hood, I call it Gangsta Palace. I'm bringing back to life all the swag in the 60s. I'm so fly from a sneaker to my dickies. You can't do me nothing, you just a bunch of snitches. I'm endowed with rap, I drop flows, then I live it lavish. I wanna be in Spain, so I can spit in Spanish. Yeah, watch 'em. Cali bag the slots I rapper. This time I cut throats. I used forget and steam beef, but this one I pot scores straight from the fire. The beef make you mud scores. The number one don't come now for sky go last. Some you sense look strong now for sky go ass. Say me flow look long. I get Bible verse. I get best at the game. I they flow long. But you rap no mature, but you flow young. Then see me there, yakba lemon then relax. Not talk like you know me, lemon them they ask. I always get it, me not they re-ask. Facing all battle, me not they reverse. Call up me shooters and quick for on board. Papers are flying, my niggas on board. Cover me Jesus, cover me Lord. If I tire for prayer, I do sign up for cross, yeah. Rappers they run them out like street bump. But lemon they know they talk so. The rap game na like balloon, so Cali back the boss flow. The style bakuna head. Cali know the trust flow. You private big, you private small. That one day now you draw slow.
Make some noise! Wow, wow, wow. Definitely K2 Blinks. I think, according to the way this round they go, we'll go for 4 rounds, right?
Yeah, of course. If we even go for 5 or 6 rounds, but we're keeping it like this.
Definitely. Don't forget to say if you want to vote for any of the rappers, they are the number where you vote for them at 088-000021. Cypher Camp to promote peace and positivity.
And of course, every day we will show credibility inside the show. The show is for the young people and for them able to showcase some talent inside the one-on-one rap battle, just as we are doing right now.
Definitely. Right now, we can go to second round. In second round, I promise you, get for be hotter. I know say them like any rappers right now, they watch and see because to go for count for now. And what count for now, we know they pick, we look for the best. Because this show is fair, straight, and forward.
Of course, this is our assignment for you waiting at McKinney right now, where the hope for come inside the December finals.
Well, now, very soon, the second round will kick, and we go know who that go come next, and how far then go prove them. Tim, Superstar.
Yeah. Pass sweats, if I will kill me, flown all the dawn. 240 feet again. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Say now you talk, say you sick like chicken pox. Today I treat you bad like picking dogs. Who that like Calibag, well come make you meet the cause. Me not a teacher, I don't do teaching cause I don't come for teach lock speed. If people employ boy, you want for live lock ski. You know reach class 1, you only tap noisy. And if you say you sabi rap where the place be noisy. Today you the taste rap where it tastes like poison. Yeah, where it tastes like poison. Call me Mike Stoner from Leicester Road. 240 feet, the name I get na load. They no go see like the all na left na road. It's na life, can't bite. You go left na boat. Me na the best rapper. All man the talk am. I born for enjoy, them born for suffer. Me bread get chicken, they yo na butter. I know they talk to picking where them born na gutter. Yeah, nigga, yeah. Say I see my like a man. The weak like daughter, the mic na me and I the mix them like motor. Plenty rapper no well. I the treat them proper and I be beef you want sham well. Now you teach them suffer. If they make gangsta one, I the street them offer. Yeah. Say me na skanga school man. I know they yeri at you. He like you make this gun Sam. I know they watch you. I ready for anyone, even the one back way at you. You not qualify Sam now catch them catch you. Not ever try me. He let them steam and patch you. Today you not go shine. He let them clean and crash you. I they kick you out Sam. Kick and scrap you. Whoa, G. Who's rapper one for test? Women are the best. Bobo rappers them but una all go rest. Yeah, this nigga the talk say in a limba, you na limba, me na limba. Me and you go and fever, but you won't like your iba. The mic na me palm, I the smoke them like cigar. People in the camp for me sick them the eager. All man no say na me na the leader. Yeah, but na me na the leader. I not afraid you because you get all kind face. Yeah, nigga, Sambo, you get upline face. The baby what they deal with, him get small fine ways. The beef where they cook, it gets all kind taste. Okay, man, they don't beef, they don't make all kind craze, but I really go no go sky bang bang. Wait till they don't do for can't stand by me. I don't speak real shit, so I can't stand by me. The mic na me, bambo na bam me. They no na no see, they all like kindergarten. But the mic me na coach, then still the first of captain. AYV please una send for shouting, and they can't kill it like a coach with come out Latin. Where all the mic where they have been na rapping, where the
Caliber.
Yo, you the Chris? What sin do you? Hey, yo, Cali, you already know what time it is. Skinny young nigga. You feel like a almost and you waist too crack. Me against the wall like the late Tupac. I rap Africa, you say me face too black. You are all like a dog, you face too whack. You baby not a steady, in waist too slack. That baby where you want, now me be the eat day. Inside you the leak, now me be the piece day. Elect me like scan all day at the beat day. Man and too flawless, man and need for take rap. If man and disrespect, man and get for take slap. Fuck with me team, swear to God you go take chopper. One fire, gun cock like a click clack. Facing me team at the boss like you belly. The rapper ya big guy, then the fetch for me where me flow na heavy kanya sama mix some with cherry. You go done am, I beg you now one am. The rap game Okada na the streets are they gun am. Any bubble make fool, swear to God I gun am. Hearing me, I say swear to God I gun am. Suck them, old nets, me teeth sour. Get you gal, bat Sam for 6 hours. I fit skin, fit skull, na fit power. You look stink, look smell, you fit shower. Flow hard, flow sharp, a boss neck. I so good, so bad, you must neck. You want cross, seaside, you must wreck. I kill quick, pull gun, and not yet. They follow me, spy me, the long neck. The wear gown, gonna mock, stun check. Cash money in the bank, no check. Cash money in the bank, no check. I did top na the game like a IMAX. New swag, new game at the adverts. Some you shits not dope now for adverts. If you see me na the streets now for divert. If I go left, now for go right. You dey make craze, and you head light. You not good pan freestyle now for go right. Never step na me zone now they warn you. If I catch you on the mic, I they burn you. Beats you, yes, Kenya they turn you. Black clothes all over, then go mon you. Say them bets for me flow when me punchline. And they massacre them all, let them bunch fine. Say me flow now like bomb at the lunch time. I get pissed now the game, and they flow long. But you rap no mature, but you flow young. Yeah, watch out. Place dark, me chain light, me face black, me teeth white, no space, flow tight, clean bitch, ass white. All me game now win boy, if you doubt me, you go lost bite. All me G's them so fly, see you done, boss kite, turn down for war nigga. Some me team not get fun, some old axe, some old left, but me team be a big gun. Face tense, no laugh, all me niggas this gun, this shit, look dope, like the weed I just born, man.
Yo, me not scared no man. Me not be guest man. Goodness for rap, be done now na business. Then go only give you all best by you goodness. West Coast best, locks me know the actress. Who that for me? Sister Flora and Sister Scanton. Look you face, all down one like on me. You want test me, Calibag, you not on me. You face all down one down, you know smoke like mommy. If I not remember God, you are for bossing your mommy. You stress, you smell, you want act like bell. Who say you come out? I not care if na hell. Locks me, all seen where they rap, I can spell. No matter what, I mean anything. Metal wave gauge, nigga, turn new page. This what we talk about, the lifetime stage. Believe it or you live it, you know. We must let a revolution is my crew. When we spit, nigga, feel it. Please come to me in the day like a nightmare. Even if you want us, me team Sama Nokia. Sit ya, really so your life like a sit ya. Now I want to talk when they wait to talk to me about that baby waking so in your money. Sable and nets, now you can keep sucking Bobby. You even tell me say are you the scatter in Gary? Lord me mommy, Caliber get funny. This baby not get one shame. You want come quick pally back, it's a bad shame. Then you get for wreck now the boat. Your whole life you Caliber and not say you ban boat. Now you can they crawl all over your body, straight get you chubby. Baby girl a big left, you they act like two steps. Now you then here exu, where I call the sweet step. No matter how, I not get for watching no toe man, I get for bow. Okay, make sweets, banging the skits. Only babo bowling gigs back me know they repeat. Any shot show face, the way I go retreat. Backbencher while I'm close to the pulpit. Una de losses, so boy, I'm making profits. I'm not a gangster, but I rap the skits gets this, and I so hard for defeat. Oh yeah. I dey beg, I give you big beats. Look 20, 40 feet, you then are you coughing. Now you want sky me get 20 trophy. I give for them, but you, nigga, this a buffing. Now I don't take many claims in a classes. That's it, then you pass front like ashes. Never test me cause you passes the classes. Then I don't rule, teacher in a class. No matter how Caliber go can last. When we dey study, in the pop grass. Now that's make me catch first, in catch last. Anyhow, I make them trust me, I don't rule. Me not that chicha what they rap and not the bull. This one in Sex Street say he left school. Now he make way up his mouth. He smell like a cat stool. How you go able to test me, you teacher? When you face black to color, bleacher. I don't rule, don't slum, I'm a teacher.
Make some noise! Wow, wow, wow. This is why Cypher Uncensored we show in this country, no matter what. K2 Blinks, why should they take the time for come? I see a lot of things and I experience a lot of things.
Yeah, of course, don't forget, this show they promote peace in hip hop.
Definitely. Don't forget to get big people inside the house for your man, Exubi, and also the wonderful Drizzy inside the house, and also Drizzy West from our Season 1 Cypher show.
Yeah, we're not nation. Don't forget to Drizzy they're doing show on the 1st of December. Hill Valley Hotel in second live in concert. You already know how it goes down. Lots and lots of artists think about rap this show and you don't want to miss it.
Definitely. Don't forget to say Cypher Uncensored show. We get YouTube page. We also get Facebook, Twitter. Just type AYV Cypher Uncensored and you will get to it. When you go YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. The videos there for download now free.
Next up, we can't go to the third rounds. And you already know, we always save the best for the last.
And definitely, third rounds not get any beats. That means then guys there, get for go to I dog. Caliber.
Ayo, you the crazy. I still they run much just now. Look what you are. Watch out, the guy. Yeah, watch out, Caliber. Yeah. We play bloody game. Coward nigga them 80 spots. I spit bullets guy and bust this nigga with 80 shots. I blow me nose now you mouth. God damn, this nigga taste me snots. You thief you my mind guns, you sell on 2,000. Camp and freestyle I get like 2,000. You still start and stamp, I check you 2 cousin. But boy you sick, me not that doctor where the check buzzing. You the bluff with one crepe where I get like bundle like. Only fans them focus anytime I handle mic. Fans them make comments, you rap they know they like. Facebook. Man and just they rap, they know the face hook. Yeah, you just they make gangster, but you know they craze chook. I'm the head of Medusa. Me face, you know go craze look. Yeah, or you go turn stone. Today I go kill you and bury you. Next week you go turn bone. Yeah, Locksby, you get the guts for cost me. I know they pay that. You get the guts for cost me. And see you big fool. Today you go land. I the sakuna all me na boss man. I dey roll with the team where the boss man. But could never pa me flow, I the boss man. You know they see me fine, you get cross eye. Now you rush fets, now you first die. Anytime where I battle at the boss eye. You see I look whack, you know they see yourself. At Ganga is bad, I know they hear left. I dey wait the speedy boats, but let the ferry left. Not put all party yes, but let the Benny left. I put the kenda pa you penda, the scammer pa the jamba. I do this for them jam for them bobo where they kanda. Born limba bobo, na santigi or samba. When me man them. Shout out nigga bemba. Yeah, watch them. Me punchline go bend you know some broke you spanner cord. I drop like heavy rain from Salon to Ghana flood. Me swag so expensive, I wear the crepe you can afford. You papa na foreigner, you want can cack na salon with you Ghana blood. This one a different injection. And they bust you with me iron rod. And they battle with me be a hand. Me not so the type warrior where rely on sword. No complex zone. We know they watch no man, we rely on God. I'm the king of the jungle, call me the lion god. This time I knock and quick cause the iron worm. You go must feel me punchline, like you na iron man. You hood full of granny, the 8 for fine young man, like me. Me ready for feds and say you dey check me. Watch me the dead with me bandana then say you dey check me. You not eat you ass, you not climb for me. I don't eat you last. For jump gonna final, now you head a mass. This rapper I'm faint soon I can't soak kid. This nigga the pizza baby, be don't soak me bed. That baby will get big waist, be don't broke me bed.
Thank you very much, Locksby.
Hey yo, Calivag, una luka. You know get passport, you want travel. Now only man will not believe God go knock chest but devil. Until Papa want enough for plot fire, you take and make history. Well today they realize what them from the rap mufti. Me picking up on the host for seka mosquito. He go pass through the window, left hip and kitty kata. Alaki bobo try fencing do salon no need you kind of scrapper. Eastern parts to western, me name they play lock spin him the waka. Now lovers they bring you baby disappoint you for card. Stress make you cost you mommy, but how you don't do only like the bad. If I not be feeling for a wife in then they make her feel sad. Who's are you trained for lead me? Look how you smell like granny pad. Shh. States come for take over all bobo man. 2 step don't come, they in charge for take them bobo plan. Why me team vex for the Sam? I dey mass this one in hand. Cut in aid, pull some parts before self in the land. Well, me na big chief we can let country somebody. Pikin go jack Bobby, but not go jack in Papa and Gongobi. Eleka let me hand. Uda go na kono tobologi. Now I need for sure una woulda ready me be. Me na one man gang, but I get 10 man rank. Una no diet, una do rotten, una get sent pass rank. So I dey beg una not try me. Me own 8 pass bank. Okay, try all you can. Me I get God grace. Elect you take flights for Kaya and me win this race. Me know the complex man by big name or even watch twist face. I don't back to so many places. I don't see so many face. So if na shit caliber go and smell, where an inside you waist. Put on front, you know, skin and tongue for feel the taste. Me na name for all rapper, the men all kind craze. Inside the soldier there, woulda go make race. News no get foot, but they work and a mouth. Poor man boss bar or get just a pack net and pots. Well, I really want for seminar the host na the court, and I ready going for back to the elect na L and come out. Elect them compare them to the critical way down 2 odds. Now inside seconds I they cool them with them senseless talk. Okay, long so say not the long pass master. Long time I don't marry this game, missing semester. I not take streets puts na face, but I'm a gangster. So elect the all 2 face twist, the head flop with nasty rasta. If they disrespect, I they rush them and eat them faster. You never heard about me? Lux me, I'm the deadliest monster. Me and you two know so class. Now you left Creole for French. Now that's make at the starts now me team and you the bench. You know reckless life need fixing. I will do it with a wrench. You say you coach, say you selfish, you still a card that na bad geek. It like you rap the truth, prove and know if you are magic. Look what you call for, even kill for you the panic. Think say me no know about you background with satanic. All that you juju, you can find the peace for in a public today. They fuse you are there with the Cali.
What? Superstar! Yeah! Wall bomb, the rapper, he touched the wall done. Yeah! Yeah! Who don't know this nigga? Who don't know this nigga, but where? Yeah! Say you the blood for war, now the him all war, but you say like Napa, you got whip hand. They are no blame. God not be the way set and be the make am. Don't not be the guy fine. I want angel can shake and I make him face well. God gave an heaven, I make him take L. Now you voice are listening, so we make me take well. Yeah, say me na the leader and I me the lead free song. Any rapper rap big fool are the pinching song. Me like you big and I know. Are the kill King Kong. Rabba shake, are the speaking song. Before I cham rappers when I bring chingum. Rap no fit you, apply my side, I make you clean the song. Like Liberty statue. Why is man? Would I go pin me down? Come on, I road my stone at the camp. Pim pong. Or you know your Creole, Chinese language, I go speak Chin Chong. One chang, in chong. You know it's in a name in well thinking son. After cham the balance rappers then go begin run. River will kill me flown out the dawn, elect and count 50 drum. I the rap from cypher, say rich king some. I check on the cypher like a drink rum. Me rap and all the beats gone. Respect my son if you want for live long. At Tima play quantity, art for Ibdong. Social media and also be sans right for belong. The fans say Mona please come. You can't see us like we picking bone. You condition bad off like a ring rum. Today the ring you bell like a ding dong. That will be done. That kingdom Kong. And all the classic type rapper class 3 Don Kong. Who's rapper with Chris for pass me junction. I give punch na your face like just Lee Chompong. Direct them from salon. Say reach Hong Kong. When I check the old place. Now me na the boss. You na boil and waste. I dey drink ampy clots. You soup no get taste. I dey bring Maggie sauce. If you make like you craze. I dey bring Mami cause. I know you last case. You thief granny draws. Would I give you the scope for 6 $6 and I see. I know the count dope. When I count cats at NMIC. Nobody are not afraid. Now God na the king. I bloody bad. See the blood na me skin. They not flop me. I dem feel bad dog na the rim. Me na them teacher them for count na me team. They not able to make us sweat. When I carry up and me cream. Yeah. Them beg me with sister make it born for me twin. But they don't feel bad rapper, them born for fishing, then say Mr. Bright. I born for big king. Papa God forgive me. I must commit sin. Where the brother rap, bobo for listening. Say me rap them make sense, bobo for reason. Yeah. Say not so you want for go call the owner. If you dey far well, try make you phone me beef big for you Martina small boomer. You want to smell bad like your dog bone. Me fans them on be don't wanna. You don't feel mortal man. This na dog bone. Yeah. Say Sam, me not care if AYV or the fans then they favor you. I speed on my boy, so shame on you. Me now you boss had a kick game on you. Big fire flow making game.
Okay! That was the hot and exclusive 3rd rounds. Evans, how you feel it?
Actually, I think say it's yet the best round inside the show. And this guy actually proved themselves. So what do you think?
Well, we don't come to the end of the show, but do you actually think this should be the end? Do you?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. The show for end right now, right? So now tell me, one small, we dey go for 2. We dey go for 2 rounds more, right?
Evans, you know say, and me self no say, the show no need for be just 1 more round. We need to give them 2 more rounds.
2 more rounds, definitely. And now we go for one beat, one guy dog. Pambulem, the place hot.
We don't know who is the supreme rapper here.
K2 Blinks. I want me you do the honor because I believe that video wonderful, but we're not going to talk about that video day. So the best we can do right now, let's hand over the mic, let the guy there kill the final 2 rounds. Beat and dry dog. Let's go.
But before we start, we don't want another rounds? Yes. Then make some noise. That's what it is, baby. The mic there on the center.
Locks.
Let the attack begin.
Check it out, y'all. Yeah. We gonna do this, y'all. Check. What a lame rap, nigga, just lay my shoe. I'm the king of rapping, we never scare at you. I'm a raw man murderer, count them furtherer. Look when I take the crown like a leader. Tell these big brass now to surrender. When I take the beach, but you know I can't attention. Put these back locks, we need your all attention. Whether you now woman or man, let we land. Salon this not so time for the come at you the sand. Now we all have got a caliber, love we know disorder. Watch now me eye, you gonna say how they try. We for the buying, strictly for hip hop, yeah we all go then a line. No matter how them condemn, we not to swine. We reach for survive. Then if you reach the trust, we can revive. This is no time, but we cannot decide. Where I reach the river, trust me, I get for cross. Me no go kaya and begin, can't for cost, but I get for threatening. Tell them say me I don't boss. Not to trauma, or that me symbols I focus. Lock spear land, then I small I lost me pops. Sit by the grave and they watch and cover cups. Lift me head up to Jah, the tears drop. Then I ask God why you take my father away. This is just the night to pray. I wanna say, let everybody listen to me now. See then at the day, Taleb holiday we go pop. We chill ya bets. Tell her you party say na so, yeah if for bets. Now me get the sweetest flow, you never know. Moving out with thugs, if you get you back backwards. Then I'll be reaching the time, the wait for award. Then I get for say salute to XB. What about Michelle and F Mans? Then I'm fans. I really want for see them fronts. Then come and dance, okay, shake waist. Tell the guys say me I no Chris. Double up the rap game. Now me one game get space. Lock speed, Usa I take am I not got back so. Usa I don't rule long time, but me not cut so. Since with the dispatch, you know what made it look.
Thank you very much, Team Superstar.
Let the attack begin.
Yeah. You already know what time it is, 240 feet. Yeah. Check this. Leicester Road stand up. Grafton stand up. Brooklyn stand up. McKinney Puff Dad, Ado Flex. It's like this, y'all. Bro. The symbol of love, na apple, the wall, na saku. Believe in God, learn how to not make you baffle. This life, na safu, not take and make raffle. Think about the one the owner, all be the rasul. Blessed don't pass away. This life will live. Trust me, na master. Yeah, it really passed that day. Mortal man gets mine. They live for 419. It talk so you find, but the under mile. Papa God now one, not get other kind. It day up, but still in eye the shine. He let you bust the ground. 50 mile. God where they up, he they see you with the eye. Now naked we come, naked we get for go. Hey mortal man, tell me why you wicked so. You rich or you poor, now ground and the berry. Mortal man for believe God, not to pass and tell you. Pastors then the preach him, I'm the quote from the Quran. Mortal man so switch and all out it into one. If not good, no, but if not bad, it is one. Take the time because hellfire is too warm. Trust me, hellfire is too warm. Say okay, let me take listen to this. Yeah, rap niggas, where are the preaching peace? Okay, sister then they now possibility, nothing not able to do. But trust me, inside the community then just living rude. So I'm feeling good for the kind life we all live. Now we all proceed, but how we see people that just die from mudslide. Pastor they know they preach the truth. They make God the word hide. Yeah, nobody no can sell. If not God vex, able on a camp, people then let we all eat plate. One rest. Everybody know say that man self one rest. Calibag!
Let the attack.
Hey yo, Calibag. Watch out. Yeah. What's up? Oh. Yeah, watch out. I'm rolling papers, I'm in love with Mali. You gal and sister, they in love with Cali. The hustle tussle make her wake up early. I got a pistol on my fucking belly. I'm feeling so high like a fucking valley. I disappear, I'm like Machiavelli. Exobi say I need for write more flow. Send more punch, drop more blow. Ice we go meet up, sign more show. Boku blood na me nose, give them sign us flow. At the times at the plus, at the minus flow. Yeah, watch am. Man they look cold like a yesterday pap. Me know they made by yesterday rap. If you been good, swear to God that for clap. Me would not decide where they shoot at the cops. Bring candy for you, can load up me cup. Can follow me, make we go now the top. We go buy everything if we go now the shop. We go buy till we go to Dubai. We go feel by Iba, any side we dey fly. We dey spoil, we dey chill, we dey live, we dey die. I got love for my fans, they believe in the guy. I got love for my fans, they believe in the guy. I kill an Apollo, they feel me na dough. I'm fresh like a baby, then pull me na dough. Na Badat and Congo, sa pull me na bow. I tire for Sidom, I tire for blow. Then witch and then Janfa go fire you slow. Me brown you freestyle, they expire you flow. Them Braya, them don't hold but no one resign. The granny, the puppet, they all one design. Yeah, say they all one design. The granny, the puppet, they all one design. Say I eat raps.
Let the attack begin.
Wow, wow, wow. The show is really, really hot, Fambulem. Well, now then stage there, Fambulem, when they sit down at home right now, they consider who that's for vote for. But as I can say, and I say it again, we get for be fair, okay? Whenever you vote because you see talent, not so because you sabi somebody, okay? Because at the end of the show, December, we want qualified people. We don't want favor. We need favor nobody, we don't get any party. So you have only phone, dial 0880021 SMS, or you go WhatsApp. That same number 088 there on WhatsApp, so you can vote for them and actually put one person through. Final round.
Let the attack begin.
Team Superstar, 2 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Continuity, Salo Isti. Yeah. 1992, December 29, and kill Bambe Kamara. The weather not be fine, it came as Salah. Plenty people suffer, leave Bambogari. 1993, foreign prime ministers then keep meeting right na Conakry. So Salo we go get peace forever, we go exist. 1994 to 95, now they everything can rubbish. Rebel and take over from upline to Freetong. Load Paland Rover shoots all kind of big gun. They send away small pick in the pool gun and make big man peace. Tension up gun, make them kill Francis. Salo for prosper with big chances. Say now with the suffer and greedy and selfish. 1996, plenty things be happy, people will not be happy. Salon politician, they all are anyampi, then just they eat the beef and left, give it the bone. 1997, Johnny Paul Koroma enter in Sierra Leone. People be they make doubt, some man be they text out. 1998, when Maxwell Kobe get for capture on a state house, ping pong pong. 1999, then get the rebels them out of Freetong. Yeah. Udana the way we go show you the true interest. We not go put on a pocket. 2001 Gaddafi sent to shipwrecks and sell our other country. Mix up box up. 2003 Sanko die Sanko not talk. They make the money flow where they want for local months. Operation free flow, the country be corrupt. Police they chap in chap, month done. They can't for salary. Politician they watch and cack up then gallery. They not get one care. For the police and soldiers supply one pair until he fade they be the wear one air. 2007 soon after election where Pape get the power. Salon of so everybody this not the hour. Police and soldiers all kind uniform, increase in salary, give them one bag rest. 2007, all man be appreciate. 2008, the paper be the bind. 2009, everything be there in line. 2010, April 27, count free medical. We reach Salon for fine past Senegal. 2011, 2012, now be social tension doing election.
Galibag! Ayo, to the Chris, and the beef back. And so bang at the do now. Watch out. I hear say you can go brook for Exobi so that he go make him to the next stage. Battle with Calibag, I doubt if he go make him to the next stage. Yeah, watch out. You na Munkuna Cypher, so all again are left mots. The rapper them butcher man, £1 beef me left cuts. Swear to God, if the judge maker lost this case, he go left cuts. You feel say you not Tupac Shakur because Stolona you best cuts. This nigga look tough but in big fool. I come for land you rap, I get big school. Then say na cacao na they eat, Bobo look stool. I know they talk about Kukali bag na action pack. I'm in the building, I go lay block say the mansion cack. Tell me why you body for yalla and you waist for black. Starboy, I give them light 10 the place dark. Now me one grain they drop hook and catch shack. Bobo you go die young if it's guy for beef pack. I don't give this Bobo rest, but they cry for beef pack. I get like 5 albums where they cry for 6 track. Yeah, I don't famous where they don't know me for one great hit track. Yeah, me rap and get fitness. I spit punchline with 6-pack. I get grooms with chopper. They ready for plates back. You mama get big bagging. Your whole family beats black. Yeah, Sam you feel Ronaldinho. Swear to God you sit cack. But already real name they play. Man and do remix back. Yeah, watch ya. Yeah. The rap not so fake, soul what's not so for book. Socks not so for head. Chalk not so for book. Pastor not for lie. Church not so for crook. Then say na you talk say. Nef not so for chook. Open your say yeah. Me flow not so for look. Me own rapper different. Beef na for soup. Calibag the rap chef a different pan cook. Me own rapper catch shack a different pan hook. Man they not get toilet with the left fan a water. The hood way I come get enough ajarata. I change pa the beats. Avec Sabaranta. They all na maskita so I just a pull sense. Me beef them all got him. Them all a pull sense.
Lock speed.
Yo. Yo. If you rules not be there now, so na bomba pata. Check it cause it's for this track in Max. Na bomba kaka. Well, I'm out to block my own rock. Everybody wanna dance through the tone that I wanna rock. See it through reality. Never diss me team cause that's street life mentality. Now I'm rolling with OGs, putting some work of some jacks or from Ozies. Maybe in a year or two, I'll be able to drive in a Benz like the gangster do. This is everyday thing happening in the West Coast part of Freetown. Time is not enough, but my niggas wanna hold me down. I'm out to get man because I don't wanna be get back. Niggas wanna hold me down because you too whack. I lost my father in the war, but I make no excuses for the bad things and the pain that life still induces. Let us unite as one, come against every crisis, but we still stay out faith again. The same hate you talk about to make me great again. Life is long, have hate, pain and skin, yet the strength to overcome all keeps me sane. How sick I was then before they wish me health. Now I want to testify that health is wealth. Let us stop this fighting against money war. Why do you want to kill your brother for money for? When it's rain, it pours, it's only rain on the poor. Not to sound syndical, but all you learn in prison is how to be a criminal. I'm the major threat, because I always remind you of everything you made to forget. They will smile in the lights, but they hate in the dark. You call this beef, to me, it's just a walk in the park. The same nigga where you trust go come for stab you back. But if the bridge is getting down, it's hard to tell. Puffing weed in the ear, my fans enjoy the smell. Enough is enough, I'm tired enough. Got no fear of fear that I have to burn the stuff. I'm from the Gully Side community, where we pray for peace, love, and prosperity. Half of the people do not believe in equal opportunity. So my teacher was telling me I was running out of chances. I started getting better grades, I started getting glances. You ain't shit to me because you cannot be my modest. Remember me when I'm gone because I'm being honest. I get in freestyle off in my head. Calibag, elect you not king, you weak like a bread. You cannot do nothing because I only na rapper. If not be history, not to you, not to your grandpa. How I go there by you lay me leg, you shit on the rapper. You goddamn it.
Make some noise! Wow! People, this is not the easy way make when I forget ready for grand final, right?
The grand final game will be a much more exclusive than what we see here.
Definitely, when I org, man. Everybody org. When I org, we need a peace reunion right now. Everybody do org right now. According to the rules of the show, everybody org. When I org, okay? That's the love of the show. Yeah. You know what I want? Una three they do for group dance. Lock Speed, Calibag, and Superstar. Una they do group dance because fan and they vote for now. Una figure out. Una do group dance so many fan and vote for now. Group dance, group dance.
Of course, me deep on the beer things are no, yeah. No sabi the boy. Empire, reggae ding, DJ Onyx, reggae ding ding, reggae ding ding ding. Okay, now my baby tell me how to love, come on tell me how to love you. Teach me how to love you, yeah. Reggae ding ding. baby, show me how to love you, because I wanna know how to love you. Yeah, I'm tired of running away. I be the one away from baby, I be like a boss money. I'm tired of running away. We money not be there, we get jam right body. I'm tired of running away. Every me brother man them know for say you not the mommy. I'm tired of running away. So any girl red banana pass, so now I go be yeah. Look where them back pass you, baby. Then they I say them hot pass you. Wow wow. Then get the juice pass you. Then get the other thing away, then get pass you. Oh, but I be choose only you. Yeah. Just because I believe in you. Oh yeah. Waiting you for the new, my girl, if I don't try, make I understand you, yeah. But even though we man done for more, yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, I'm a man, I say me asking one more.
Now you talk, say you sick like chicken pox. Today I treat you bad like picking dogs. Would I like Calibag, well, can make you lick it dust.
Goodness for rap, be done now na business. Then go only give you all best by you goodness. West Coast best, locks me know they not just.
Me against the wall like the late Tupac. I rap Africa, you say me face too black. You a wall like a dog, you face too whack. You baby not a steady, in waist too slack.
Call me Mike Stunner from Leicester Road. 240 fit the name I get na load. They no go see like the owner left na road. If na life can't bite, you go left na boat.
Only babo bowling gigs back me know they repeat. Any shot show face, the way I go retreat. Backbencher while I'm close to the pulpit. Una de pan losses so boy, I'm making profit.
It's up na the game like a IMAX. New swag, new game at the adverts. Some you shit's not dope na for adverts. If you see me na the skits na for divert. If I go left, na for go right.
You not qualify, Sam na catch them catch you. Not ever try me, elect them steam and patch you. Today you not go shine, elect them clean and catch you. I they kick you out, Sam, kick and scrap you.
Teacher na class, no matter how Calibag go can last. When we dey study in the pop grass, now that's make me catch first, in catch last.
So good, so bad, you must like. You want cross, seaside, you must wreck. I kill quick, pull gun, and not yet. They follow me, spy me, the long neck, the wear gown, gonna mock, stun check.
Dreams! Say me a better than them. Bad girls spit more fire than them. Me level higher than them. I get the green light, so me brighter than them. Say me a better than them. Bad girls spit more fire than them. Me level higher than them. I get a green light, so me brighter than them. I get a green light for go any side I want for go. I get a green light for do anything I want for do. I get a green light for say anything I want for say. I get a green light for do anything I want for do. I do tell God thank you cause I ain't gone butter me bread. And plenty thank you to Eileen cause I paved the way. So me mama and me papa I don't even know waiting for say. And to me lovely friends when I thank you for the love all the way. Now what a bright past them cause I get a green light. I don't fly past them, I'm above them dream height. Them world too dark is like they get a dim light. Them go always need me cause they me to bring light. Few years not a game, it's like it's been ages. I don't rule, I don't win, I've been paid wages. Plenty hours, plenty shows, more money, endorsement, new deals. I've got locked in my big cages. Yeah, a day not a zebra, no car, not a bus. Me style not overruled, so no style, not a pass. Me network wireless, so called, no more flash. And check the album, man, 90% big stars. Yeah, greatness, now the name my friends call me. Imagine being signed by wins with freestyles only. Tell the little cars, made them all pull over. Cause Empress be me, I come to take over.
You're watching AYV Television.